Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Arjovit and in this tutorial I will show you where to find rust in the ground and also how to get it. So, the rust you have in huge amount of the rust you have in this location. In this location, like here, you have many rusty nail, and you must destroy it. You need black ox hammer, so you must have third level busting hammer. You must kill black ox, which is also on this territory. Black ox and pupa leather. You need. A black ox is also in this area, and pupa leather is here. Here. In the wood. He is in the wood. Okay, and that's the nail. Look, the rust. Okay, hello rats. So that's all. Oh, that's all in this video. So thanks for watching. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. You may also leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. See you next time. Bye bye.